So welcome guys. This part I'm going to show you how you can download Python. So let's get started. How we want to download Python on our system, on our laptop here. So first of all, search python.org, python.org, which is org. Then click enter. Let it load. So this is for laptop guys. This is for laptop. So we are going to download it for this is the latest. Yeah, we are using the latest. So we are going to download it for laptop. Then we are clicking on this. So the next thing we are going to do is the files. We have the Windows installer. We have to install this 64 bytes. So this window installer, that's what we are installing. So you click on install because I already have it on my system, so I won't be installing it. I won't be using it. I already have it, so just click on the install. It will install it. Then go to your download. Please go to your download. Then after going to in your download, you will see the installer. Then click on the installer to install the app on your system. After it has after it has installed, so then go to your command prompt. Just type Python version. So because I've already have Python on my system and I want to get the version, I already have Python. I want to know whether Python is on my system. Yes, if it is on my system, which version? So it's going to show that Python is on my system and this is the version that is there. So you can write the same thing, the same code for yours too. So thank you. That's that's for Python. So now we have to download the Visual Studio Code. The Visual Studio Code. That's what we are going to be using. So to download the Visual Studio Code, go to your browser, search Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code. Please don't download Visual Studio. We have Visual Studio and we have Visual Studio Code. Make sure this code is there in your Visual Studio. Thank you. Then download for Windows. Then after it has installed, go to your download folder, your download site. Then click on the app that you have already downloaded. What I mean by going to download is just click it here, then go to your download. This is your download here. So go to your downloads here. Thank you. I will be showing you my downloads so that you not see what I've downloaded. So thank you. Then we have we have this download the Visual Windows. Then that's all for this. So let's close our browser. So the next work as a programmer is inside our code. So let me be closing this. Sorry, let me close this. So the next work we are going to be needing right now is go to your extension. This is your extension. Open your Visual Studio that you have downloaded, Visual Studio Code that you have downloaded. Go to your extension. See the extension here. Click on this, then search for Python. Click on the Python, then download it. We are downloading the extension so that Visual Studio Code will recognize that we are saving Python folder. We are saving Python files, not folder. We are saving Python files so that it will recognize that we want to work with Python. So we have this. Then let me say, so I have it here. Click on the name here. Just click save, write anything first. Then make sure you put dots. Please put dots. Put dot. It is this dot py. You can see anything before this dot can take any name. But after you put your name, then put this dot and put py, which is we are saving with Python. It recognizes it after you have downloaded the Python extension. So it recognizes it. So let's save. you'll see that in our savers, because of the PY that we put, it has already recognized it as Python. Let's click save. Sorry, sorry, I'll be changing the name. Let me save it as, because I've already have index on my system, like index with us pro. So let me just save it as index two dots. So let me hit save. It has already saved, guys. So this is your Python. This is where you'll be working. This is where we are going to be running. Great job, programmer. Yeah, we had the programmers. Good job, and yeah, you're doing well. Just say you can do it. Programming is not hard. It's not hard, honestly. It's not by force you must know mathematics. Those ones are rumors. You don't have to know mathematics before you can code. The only thing you have to do is put your mind to it and